Hey buddy, today in this video we're making air fryer hash brown spam sandwich. Let's begin. We have here some frozen hash browns, 1 can of spam, and also 2 eggs. We're going to crack open 2 eggs first. We're going to take the 2 eggs and mix it all together. Okay, it's looking good. We have here 2 tablespoons of water, and we'll need some cornstarch. We'll need around half a tablespoon. Mix it in with the water. Okay, the cornstarch is nicely mixed in with the water. We're going to add it into the egg. Stir it in. Okay, it's looking good. We're going to put that to the side. We're going to open 1 can of spam. There we go. Save this can for later and make sure to wash it because we'll need it for the egg. We're going to cut 2 slices. That's 1, 2. Okay, we're set, and now we're going to cook the egg. Okay, the pan is heated up. We're going to add some olive oil. Spread the oil around. Okay, we're going to add the eggs. Split the egg if you can. We're going to turn it over. Okay, we're set. We're going to take it off the pan. Next, we're going to take the spam can and cut the egg. There we go, we have 1. And we have 2. There we go, we have 2 pieces of egg. We're going to preheat the air fryer. We're going to turn it on. We're going to push the preheat button. And we're going to preheat it for 400 degrees. And we'll be back. Okay, the air fryer's been preheated to 400 degrees. Spray some cooking oil into the basket. Now we're going to take the frozen hash browns and put it in. Okay, we have all the frozen hash browns and spam in the basket. We're going to put it in. We're going to set the time to 400 degrees for 10 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been 5 minutes so far. We're at the halfway point. Let's flip them over. Flip over the spam. There we go. We have everything all flipped over. We're going to put it in for the last 5 minutes. And we'll be back. It's been a total time of 10 minutes at 400 degrees. Let's take them out. Looking great. Let's take out 2 of the hash browns first. Next, the spam. We're going to take the egg we made and put it on top. And next, we're going to take the last 2 hash browns and put it on top. Okay, this is what we have today, air fryer hash brown spam sandwich. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite, and thanks for watching.